to the years that are yet to be. Pharmacy, thou stand ever glorious, the mission of integrity, the hand that shaped our past, the mind that made the last, shall always be our guardian and brightest hope of all men. With voices from our grateful hearts, we hail pharmacy. Look, all the ages gone by, to the years that are yet to be. Pharmacy, thou stand ever glorious, the mission of integrity, the hand that shaped our past, the mind that made the last, shall always be our guardian and brightest hope of all men. With voices from our grateful hearts, we hail pharmacy. With voices from our grateful hearts, we hail pharmacy.
So, maswerte ang barangay ng Mayong kay dili kami nag-iwak, no, sa aming medical mission. Kaya, gamay naman kamo, tawagin ninyo ang inyong mga ito, mga kauban, ang inyong mga pamilya, may mga
Through all the ages gone by, to the years that are yet to be. Pharmacy, thou stand